One of my favorite scrapbooking tools are our photo templates. They are perfect when you find yourself asking things like, how many photos can I fit on my layout? Is there even a way to fit all the photos I want for the story I'm preserving? Should I crop my photos? Or which sizes will work? Questions like these too often will slow us down or keep us from creating at all. Here's the thing, many creative challenges aren't about a lack of talent or time. They're about not having the right tool for the job. That's why I'm so excited to show you how the kiwilane photo templates work. They are not high tech, but they work. And I think they might just change your creative process the next time you sit down to scrapbook the same way that they have changed mine. Let me show you what I mean. As you can see, I've already started building a basic frame for this layout using my border templates. You may use strips. I like the movement that the borders give. I just recommend something that gives your layout structure and a foundation to build on. But now comes one of the hardest parts, deciding which photos to use and of course how to rearrange them or arrange them on your page. I used to print a bunch of 4x6 pictures and try to make them fit on my page, or even worse, I would crop them on a whim and hope that they worked. How many times have we cropped a photo and regretted it afterwards? But now I reach for my photo template sets. These clear tools let me see my layout before I commit to anything. I can move them around, play with different sizes, try different layout options, and quickly find a design that's practical and creatively satisfying and lets me tell the full story of the moment I'm scrapbooking. And as you know, we don't always just scrapbook 1 or 2 photos, despite what most layouts online show us. Sometimes we want to add 8, 10, or even 12 photos. I actually even love these mini photos because they really allow you to add even more photos, again, to help tell the story that you're scrapbooking. And so I'm just going to place a few around the frame that I have going here. And if I don't like something, again, I can kind of play around with that, rearrange it, try variations of maybe how that is displayed on my page. With these photo templates, adding a lot of pictures to a layout is easier than ever. In just a minute or two, I've made my decisions without second guessing myself the whole time. And once I've settled on the arrangement that works best, I can also use these templates as a no stress cropping tool. I just lay the templates directly over my printed photos and I can crop confidently. Basically what I do is I just lay them right over my picture, and then I would take a pen or a pencil and mark the corners, use my straight cutter to cut it down. And then I can just pop them right into the page. And that's the great thing about these templates, about all of our designer templates. They let you fully visualize everything before you cut into anything so that you have no regrets, no surprises. It's simple, hands-on, it's no tech, no stress. Just a really good tool that helps you move past the overwhelm and into the part of what scrapbooking is all about in the first place, reliving your memories. So if photo placement has ever slowed you down, now you know. There's a tool for that. And having the right tool doesn't just make things easier, it gives you permission to relax, experiment creatively, have fun, and create something that leaves you fulfilled and happy. Something that you will love. And once you try it, you'll probably wonder how you ever scrapbooked without it.